Lady T ZCD coming back at you with a video. How y'all doing? It's happy hump day and all that good stuff. Y'all, I'm overwhelmed. I'm over here trying to, this is my bedroom and look at it. I am trying to get myself the bedroom of my dreams. I have not had any type of work done to this bedroom in a minute. And so, that lavender been on the wall. Y'all know I told y'all in previous video my colors, favorite colors are purple, lavender, and white. I've had those are my wedding colors, but this has been on the wall for a while. This color, this bedroom has not been touched as far as any type of renovation, any type of remodeling, any type of refresh. I just left this room alone and made sure the rest of my house was up to date and refreshed and replacing floors and replacing paint. And like I said, I just neglect this room and really was just, you know, not really worrying about it. But so now I'm at a point where this is the last project on my list for 2020 to renovate and to refresh and to change and to update and all that good stuff. And now I'm trying to do this by myself as far as pull all this. I never knew how much clutter, too much I am as far as buying unnecessary stuff. And so, you know, in order to paint and like my whole idea of doing this room over this side of the room right here, all this space over here, I had it set up as an accessory room because I did not have the diva space I have now, or that man cave or that ladies cave or whatever. I did not have my own personal space at one time. So I changed this whole area in my bedroom as a, you know, that space, and it was more of an accessory extension of my closet because I really don't have a big walk-in closet. So with that being said, and I know y'all seen me videotape over here or upload a video from over here in this space. And so what I had to do in order for my husband to paint, I had to declutter. And I just want, you know what, I'm not even looking at stuff. Yeah, I have so much costume jewelry, so much, you know, jewelry, fashionable, you know, costume jewelry. And look at this shelf. I haven't hit this shelf. This is the last shelf that I will be doing. I will declutter and give away. And so, yeah. At first I was like, I ain't gonna show them, I'm not gonna do no video, but we all in the same ship. And so, you know, as far as decluttering stuff and giving away, I am ready to give away everything. I'm not even looking no more. The time it took just to declutter this whole little desk over here, which I had as my makeup table, was ridiculous. Was totally ridiculous. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead on and give away a lot of stuff. This is the color that's going to go on the wall. I don't know if y'all can see this color. It's kind of like a, let me go over here by the window so y'all can see the creamish kind of like, hope y'all can see that color that's going to go on the wall. It's real pretty and it's going to brighten up everything. So that will be over here. This entire space will be a sitting space. As far as an additional, you know, I want my whole back of my, in other words, I want all this to be an open area. No more dividers, no more, none of that. I want it to be an open area. And it's gonna be a sitting area. Now I was envisioning, is that a word? I was envisioning, can't even say it, y'all, I'm so tired. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I envision maybe some a nice electric fireplace right here, or either over here on this wall, and maybe some bookshelves over on each side. Not bookshelves, or some shelves. Those pretty gold glass and mirrored shelves I've been seeing you guys some of your homes have, and just only for accessories. I'm gonna make it real pretty. I'm gonna make it real pretty, you guys. And some seats, or maybe a nice love seat or something, 2 seats, and then maybe just a table for my husband and I to sit over here, and just make it real nice and cozy and sexy, grown folks, you know, sexy and romantic looking. And I just can't wait, because like I said, this is so outdated, y'all. I just threw up some Walmart curtains. Ain't nothing wrong with Walmart curtains, but y'all know these curtains supposed to go all the way up. Like I said, this is a big room, and I gotta get new rods, new curtains. I ain't worried about that until we can get the paint on the wall and declutter all this stuff and go ahead on and get started that way. But I'm not worried about that part. I also want to get another bedroom suit, but first of all, I gotta paint. And look at this, y'all. This came out of my closet. I just purchased a new mattress. I think I told y'all about that. This is a Sealy, let's see, there it is. Very nice, man. I mean, very nice, comfortable. It has all these different little positions and things that comes with the mattress. Very nice, and it sleeps so well. But these clothes came off of this little bitty rag, y'all. That's ridiculous. All these clothes, plus the clothes I got in my closet. So hard for me to get the daggone, so much that this daggone little cheapy thing from Walmart just broke apart when I was trying to pull it out the closet. I had to have hubby get off his phone and out of his office and come in here and help me with this, because I almost went down on the floor with it when it fell apart. And so that's why all the clothes are on the bed. And these are normally clothes when I do a video. I normally put them on this rack right here and show y'all what I have. But I haven't switched them out. Some of them are just still summer stuff, and some of them I ain't even worn yet. But anyway, I'm just saying team too much. I don't want to buy any more clothes. I don't want to buy. I just look bags on the floor. This is just some of the bags. And I don't have a big walk-in closet, like I said. So, but anyway, this bed is a king-size bed, and I just left that one picture on why they got to come down. But see the tray ceiling, all that has to be painted as well. That's coming down and everything. So I'm looking online to try to find me a bedroom suit. I know what I want, and when you purchase something like a bedroom suit, it is something that you will have for a while. So I'm trying to make sure, you know, when I invest some in that type of money in a bedroom suit, king size bedroom suits, king size, everything is so freaking expensive. So it ain't like I be, you know, we buying bedroom suits every 5 years. No, we buying bedroom suits. Please. And I forgot when we purchased this bedroom suit, okay? I think both of the kids was at home in probably middle school and high school. But anyway, it's time for another bed. And everybody, you know, my husband's like, ain't nothing wrong with this bed? And no, I'm just tired of it. It's time to go. It's damaged on each end. Well, you know, y'all said water and stuff, water stains. I probably been saying that out off and painted, but I'm just over it. I'm over the bed. I'm over it. I'm over the look. I'm just over it. So, you can't, I mean, it wasn't bad looking in here. I mean, I had it hooked up when I had everything. Everything has been taken off the wall. Y'all know I ain't had no bad walls like this. But all my mirrors and, of course, y'all seen this wall. This was on this, kind of like a collage wall. I had it hooked up in here, but, you know, it's time to go. It's time to go. So, a little bit by degree, I'm taking, you know, I've done tucking out all my shoes. I had some shoes over here. And taking them out. Done the makeup table. That was crazy. Had stuff underneath their storage boxes and stuff. Took them out. And then this gonna be the last thing I do over here. Like I said, if I'm not using it, if I have a want, like those little boxes, I don't even know what's in the boxes down there. And if I haven't, it's kind of dark over here, y'all. I'm sorry. Let me come around. Yeah, look at this. This junk. it ain't junk, y'all. It's just stuff that I have collected and I haven't really used. And you know, we can do that, y'all. We can go buy stuff and knowing we already have. Don't really know if we have stuff or not. Just rebuying. And so, you know, I know it's time for me to stop all that shopping. And as far as buying accessories and all that, I'm just gonna be a minimalist when it comes to all this daggone shopping for accessories and stuff. I can't do it. It's too much. And y'all, these freaking shoes. This black thing has shoes in it too. Shoes and workout clothes. Okay? So, I'm gonna have to get rid of all this whole room is gonna be empty. This whole area. And I will not be putting any type of storage, anything in here. It's gonna be very minimum stuff. Maybe, like I told y'all, just a sitting area situation. I'm excited. I am excited because I've been wanting a, you know, a dream bedroom. So y'all have some beautiful bedroom suits out there, beautiful decorated beds, bedrooms, and all that stuff. And like I said, I have never had that. So here's my time. I've done all these other things downstairs. I've done all this other stuff. And I finally made my way upstairs. And so now this is the last room and the bathroom that's attached. We're just gonna paint in there. But yeah, I can't wait to have the bedroom of my dreams. And even though we may, you know, my husband's so hesitant to do anything about any more furniture because he was thinking maybe we may, you know, hey, we may move. You know, I don't know what we're going to do. But right now, I have to be happy in the space that I'm in. So that means I got to go ahead on the back. Because I said, like, you know, whichever way we decide to do or go, it will go with us. That'll be one less thing I have to buy. And it will work in the new space if we decide to do so. I will just have to make it work. So that's the story. That's what I'm doing right now, y'all. I am so freaking hot and tired. I'm about to call it a day and work on a little bit by degree. So a lot of this stuff is ready to be given away. Go to Goodwill. I don't know where it's going, but I ain't worried about it. I'm not attached to it. I've detached myself. I went through all this daggone, look, I mean, all this jewelry, I don't even wear this kind of stuff no more. This costume necklaces and staple neck. I don't know what it is. So, maybe I'm getting old. I don't need all that stuff. It's too hot. And so, yeah, I'm ready to let it go. Let it go. It's TKO. What Teddy Pendergrass say? Let it go. So, before I jump out the window, honey, and lose my mind with all this stuff, it got to be done immediately. So this weekend we'll be painting, and I think I feel better. My husband, you'll feel better when the paint, when the room get painted and everything is decluttered and stuff and give away. You'll feel better. Cause right now I get anxious. I can't hardly come in here. My husband had to come in here and take, cause I had all the stuff on the wall over here, all the stuff. I couldn't even walk through here, y'all. I couldn't even walk through here, and I was just feeling some kind of way. So here's it. Look, babe, I take everything out of here that was on the wall and put it in my man cave for right now. My office, my man cave. So you know, cause I'm feeling some kind of way. I'm having anxiety. I was like, this is too much. And here I am again after I did. Look, it speaks for itself. But we're gonna get it together. We ain't gonna trip. We're gonna get it together. It's gonna be beautiful because y'all know how I do. And I can't wait to show y'all once I get it together, slowly but surely. Thank y'all for watching. I can't be on video right now. I'm not video camera ready. I'm working. I'm not gonna get. I can't do it. I can't get in front of the camera. But your girl about to take a break and lay down, get some water, and get hydrated. Thank y'all for watching. It's Lady TZCD. Thumbs up the video if you like, comment, share, and all that good stuff. Y'all can't hardly think, because like I said, I'm ready. I gotta get off, get some water. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye-bye.